All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this 15-minute chart to see what we got. We're gonna hope these orders take today. First, we're gonna identify some trend lines. All right, let's do that. I always want to try to identify some trend lines first. And looky there, we have a beautiful looking triangle pattern. All right, so let's go ahead and map that out. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my visa, wait the Giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, sliding my DMs. Right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hard to get. Interesting. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Gotta ask again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodale and then let her pick up whatever she wants. So we're just mapping this. She gon' take up whatever she want. She pissed me off, so now she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. Interesting, right? We got this pattern. Alright, so let's see, we got a couple targets. So let's say we got going from here down to the bottom of the trend line. Right? And if this is accurate, we can see a breakout. Something like that. Another 15-minute, right? Now, let's see if we can do our breakout. So then technically, we may not even. All right. So this is what we got here, right? Let's see what the RSI VWAP says. It's a good time to buy in. Yeah, you see we got some green, right? That's a bullish sign. Got some green that needs to go long or to buy in, right? So we got that going. Now remember, we're doing a conditional order as well, so we're gonna not only measure what happens if it breaks up, but also if it breaks down. Alright, it doesn't matter to us, it can go up or down. We're gonna make money either way, right? That's the goal. Boom, so we got a target of about 98,000. That's if it breaks up, and a lower target of 88 grand. That's still not bad, guys. Bitcoin is just a beautiful type of asset. All right, let's get this thing out of here. All right, let's identify some Fibonacci retracement levels next. Take it from the top of the trend all the way to the bottom. All right, boom. So these are our levels we're looking at. Right? Yeah. So this is looking like where we might want to put an entry around the $94,000 level, 94,300 for a long, and then if it goes short, I guess we could put in an entry somewhere around the 93,000 level. But me personally, I like to check for any more in between supports and resistances. So to correct that, yeah, we'll go long here, $94,000 level, and we will go short at the, it looks like 93,000. 227. No, we'll go with the 93,081. That's where we'll put in our short. All right. So let's identify that real quick. That way, you know, you don't get any confusion. So long position goes at the Fibonacci level, 0.618 Fibonacci level, right? This is where we will go long. Boom. Right? Then we'll have a short get placed in. Put in a short, and we'll place a short over at the 9308. You know what? We'll go here at the 93087. Right? Yeah, we're looking at the 93072. That works for me. All right, guys. So we got in our. This is what our chart looks like. All right. So that's a 1% going up and a 1% going down, guys. All right. So let's come on over here and we're going to put in our orders. All right. Let's see. We got the big one versus tether chart, USDT. All right. We're going to go long at the $94,324,000 level. Right? Remember, guys, this is on the 15-minute chart. $94,329 level. Alright. Something small. I'll open up the long at that level. Got 10x leverage. Sure, the order was okay. Here we go. Now we're talking. I'm gonna confirm that. As you put in the order for. Seems the screen sharing is lagging just a little bit, guys. And let me refresh the page. See if that order went through. It just should be down there in the order book, right? Yep, looks like this there. Conditional orders too. I already had in one order, guys. Something separate I'm working on. Then here's our order, 94,329, right? Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put in that short. You know, the short is at the 93,000, right? 072 level. 93,072 level. Right? This is where we're at, guys. This is how you put in a conditional order, right? 93,072.0. Right? We're going to do the same amount. About 40. We don't have a lot in this account right now, so we're just going to trade with a little bit. The idea is to show you guys how to trade, alright? With these strategies, you can make thousands of dollars to millions of dollars. Alright? Good until cancel. Alright, feel like you open short at that level. Confirm. Alright, guys, we're in. And now we are going to see what happens next.
Guess who's back in the house with a bunch of souvenirs and a smile for your mouth. I really missed you each and every night. I kissed you in my dreams. For went to sleep, the la la land.